Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, October 31st, 2025, featuring market insights on indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were all up today. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,840.19, up by 17.84 points. The Dow 30 index closed at 47,562.88, gaining 40.75 points, continuing its very strong positive trend. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite Index saw a rise of 143.82 points, ending the day at 23,724.96. Market breadth was mixed with slight advancements. The S&P 500 index saw 258 advances against 234 declines. The Dow 30 index had a slight majority of 16 declines. The Nasdaq Composite Index recorded 1,755 advances, marking a clear strength today. On total returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index led with a weekly return of 2.24%. The S&P 500 index followed with a very strong yearly return of 16.3%. The S&P 400 midcap index showed a mixed performance, posting a modest rise year-to-date. In sector performance, the consumer cyclical sector hit a new all-time high at 1,963.15, jumping 4% amid strong upward volatility. The energy sector posted gains as well, closing at 674.75, benefiting from a strong positive trend despite recent flat movement. Basic materials was the weakest, closing down at 541.60, marking a loss of 0.85% with very strong downward volatility. Meanwhile, the utilities sector closed 4 days lower in a row, amidst mixed positive trend, landing at 452.14, down 0.77% for today. Among global markets, South Korea hit a new high at 97, increasing by 1.8% with a very strong positive trend. Turkey's ETF followed suit, edging up 1.5% to 34.15, continuing a positive trend. Examining returns, South Korea ETF led with a robust 21% monthly return, propelling its trend. Austria's ETF also performed well, achieving a steady 50% year-to-date total return, while Israel reached a fresh high, marking strong gains with ongoing trends. Tech darlings showed varied performance today. Amazon surged over 9%, reaching a new all-time high at 244.22. Meanwhile, Meta platforms slipped by 2.7%, closing down for the second day. Apple and Alphabet both ended down slightly, despite strong positive trends.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 109,555.27 with an uptick of 1,247.9, but it remains in a strong negative trend. Ethereum shows a mixed negative trend, rising to 3,845.79, gaining 41.77. BNB inches up to 1,089.43 with a positive mixed trend. Meanwhile, Solana at 187.14 battles a mixed negative trend. Dogecoin jumps 2%, priced at 0.1864 amid a strong negative backdrop. Over the week, Bitcoin slips with returns down 4.36%, while year-to-date it's up 17.35%. For Ethereum, weekly losses are steeper at 7.53%, though on the year it gains 15.48%. BNB is up 8.01% for the month. Solana decreases 10.35% month to date, while Dogecoin sees significant losses at 19.97% for the month.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing mixed performance today. Against the euro, it's currently down by a minor 0.0006, with strong upward volatility at play. Conversely, the dollar is gaining strength against the British pound, up 0.0026 after 4 consecutive days of rising. In terms of the Japanese yen, the dollar is slightly lower today, but still maintains a very strong positive trend. Additionally, against the Swiss franc and Australian dollar, the dollar is currently up, marking upward movements of 0.0026 and 0.0067 respectively.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.